Welcome to the September edition of the United Performance Metals Webcast. I'm Jolynn Johnston. In this installment, we will recap market conditions with a summary of the Precision Metal Forming Association's Business Conditions Report, spotlight United Performance Metals' new continuous improvement program, PowerLean, and provide a preview of our upcoming special October webcast. The Precision Metal Forming Association recently released the August edition of its Business Conditions Report. The report surveys perceptions of metal formers for the upcoming 3 months. This most recent survey, which utilizes trend data collected during the first week of August, delivers a mixed bag. The good news is that metal formers expect business volume to hold at current levels over the next 3 months. The bad news is that we are moving into the fall season, when typically most metal formers expect business to pick up as the summer winds to a close. Reading between the lines, the general consensus is that the fourth quarter of 2008 will be softer than normal. Specifically, metal formers believe they will see a reduced volume of business from the automotive, appliance, and home building industries. Over the past several years, continuous improvement has taken center stage throughout the manufacturing landscape as businesses seek opportunities to maximize their own profitability while also shielding their customers from escalating cost. Prior to merging, both Ferguson Metals and AIM International had effective, although different, continuous improvement cultures. United Performance Metals Director of Quality, Daryl Staten, has been charged with leveraging the two cultures into a single continuous improvement culture capable of delivering benefits to both United and its customers. Today, Mr. Staten joins us to discuss his team's work in the area of continuous improvement. Welcome, Daryl.
Thank you, Jolynn.
Daryl, can you tell us a little more about the two continuous improvement cultures that were present at AIM and Ferguson?
Sure. The good news is that each company had a continuous improvement methodology that had been established as part of their business culture. I mention this because often the hardest step is getting a company started in a continuous improvement program. AIM's continuous improvement efforts were closely linked to General Electric's Six Sigma program, while Ferguson's were grounded in lean manufacturing. At the most basic level, Six Sigma places a stronger emphasis on statistical analysis, while a lean manufacturing approach is much more conceptual.
So which direction do you think you will take moving forward?
It is not so much of a task of selecting one methodology over the other. There is merit to both Six Sigma and lean manufacturing. For this reason, we are seeking to create a hybrid approach that pulls upon the strengths of each of these disciplines. Internally, we call this approach PowerLean. We have formally rolled the program out to all of our employees.
What are the activities associated with your PowerLean program?
All too often, companies attempt to create this silo of activities that they call continuous improvement. While continuous improvement exercises such as Kaizen blitzes are effective, it is also important that it is a part of everyday business. We have appointed a member of the quality department, Brandon Wiedemann, to be our continuous improvement champion as well as our project manager. Brandon has an engineering background and some great practical manufacturing experience. We've established certain data points that we will continually track and seek to improve with regard to product quality and machine operation. Where opportunity arises, we will make use of tools from lean manufacturing like process mapping and the Kaizen blitz to understand and positively impact operations.
What do you hope will be the end result of your continuous improvement programs?
When we discuss continuous improvement, we measure our success in 5 areas: safety, quality, delivery, cost, and morale. Some of these items produce tangible results where returns can be easily quantified, while others create soft returns that are much more difficult to quantify. But in the end, it is our hope that continuous improvement efforts create a company that is delivering benefit to all of its stakeholders. I would also like to mention that our continuous improvement culture is something that we would like to share with our customers and partners. We've had several events where customers and partners have played an integral role. We have also reciprocated and helped our customers and partners achieve their continuous improvement goals. We're always happy to do so.
Daryl, I appreciate your time with us today, and good luck on your team's work.
Thank you, Jolynn. I appreciate that very much.
One often overlooked offering of United Performance Metals is the Small Sheet Program. The program provides customers the opportunity to purchase smaller 36 by 48 inch sheets that can be shipped the same day by DHL. The program originally began as an opportunity to move our smaller drops, but quickly evolved into a complete inventory of 36 by 48 inch sheets. John Niehaus, Vice President of Sales for United Performance Metals, recently commented, "There are a number of repair and maintenance applications that require rapid access to a small sheet of our stainless or high-temperature alloy sheet products. While initially a good portion of the small sheets that we sent out were being overnighted to aircraft repair facilities to address aircraft on-the-ground scenarios, today we find our small sheets being utilized in just about every industry and application, from repairs in power generation facilities to student engineering projects." The strength of United's small sheet program is the ease of placing an order. The ability to select from the company's inventory of 36 by 48-inch sheets online, determine the appropriate method of shipping, and complete the purchase with a credit card from the comfort of one's desk is a great time saver. To view United's complete inventory of small sheets, visit www.upmet.com and click on the Request a Sheet Quote button. It's hard to believe that summer is over and the fourth quarter is rapidly approaching. It certainly has been a turbulent year in the metals market, if not for the economy in general. If you are like us, you will soon be in the midst of forecasting and budgeting for 2009. Members of the United Performance Metals management team will be participating in a two-day forum presented by the Metals Service Center Institute that will provide an economic outlook for the upcoming year. The event brings together an impressive panel of analysts from a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, construction, appliance, and many others. They will each deliver their perspective on the upcoming year. Be sure to tune into our October edition of the United Performance Webcast. We will dedicate the entire webcast to the highlights of the Economic Summit. This is Jolynn Johnston reporting for United Performance Metals. Best wishes for a successful fourth quarter.